Hi, I'm Keith Herman, CEO and founder of Trending Travel, a travel company with a real difference. We built the business from the ground up with a truly amazing team, and we're really excited to tell you all about it. We harness the enormous power of social media to generate leads by collaborating with influencers, celebrities, and content creators. We turn likes and follows into incredible value bookings. But what really inspired us to create a travel company in the middle of a global pandemic? Here's my co-founder, Sophie, to elaborate.
We saw a gap in the market to create a travel company that focused on social media activity to drive travel sales. We were convinced right from the start that social media users are looking for a much more interactive way to be inspired to book their next holiday. So now, when searching for holidays at Trending Travel, you're greeted with authentic content which really inspires and engages.
Hotels and destinations have been collaborating with influencers and celebrities to showcase their products for years. Why?
Because they know this PR will bring them instant exposure. By introducing Trending Travel into the mix, our destinations have access to an extensive selection of influencers and, crucially, place Trending Travel as the call to action within the booking journey.
We strengthen their marketing proposition at a low cost.
We provide trackable MI and ROI in the form of bookings along with PR.
This service creates a strong revenue stream for Trending Travel.
Here is Ollie, our creative director and social media guru, to give you the inside track on what all of this really means in terms of results.
My role is to consistently bring unique and creative content to our followers. We have over 250,000 followers across social media with 175 million views of our posts from over 100 million unique customers. We're a team that consistently posts 5 times a day, 365 days a year. We sell social media promotion alongside holiday packages, and our average booking value is over £3,000. And 95% of our traffic is generated organically, meaning we are disrupting the traditional booking journey. Essentially what this means is we are generating quality leads and turning them into holiday bookings. Plus, we have a great team, including Mello, this little mascot.
I'm Susie, I'm the Influencer Director. Between us, we have unparalleled experience in travel, social media and scaling businesses. I bring a combination of diverse influencers and celebrity talent to the business. And in our short history, look at some of the talent that we've collaborated with so far. Sitting alongside our team of well-known collaborators, our plan for Trending Travel was to also become an influencer. Now, with our following, reach and engagement, we've been able to secure substantial revenue from brands, tourist boards, airlines, hotels and other travel operators, all wanting to promote themselves via our social channels. What do some of our influencers think about Trending Travel?
I've partnered with Trending Travel for the past couple of years and I love everything about the way they work. From their support and cooperation as a brand partner to the service that I receive from them as a travel agent, I really do believe it's first class. It's important to me that the brands I work with will provide the same level of service to my audience and customers as they do for me. Trending Travel have set themselves apart to be the business to take travel forward in a way that we haven't seen before. And I think it's incredible that they take the great culture and beliefs within the business forward with them in every step of the journey to provide the best possible service to everyone they work with, influencers and customers alike.
Let me introduce you to Matt Parker, who invested in Trending Travel 12 months ago.
I saw a team with a unique set of experience in travel and social media and influencer marketing. Given the success of the last 12 months for Trending Travel, the business is now perfectly positioned to take advantage of the opportunity that presents itself. We know that the market's coming back, the bounce back's going to happen in travel, and we're going to see progress, and we'll see Trending Travel at the forefront of that.
In 2021, influencer marketing was worth over £20 billion, and our plan is to grow this globally to anyone that consumes social media. We've already achieved £2.5 million worth of sales in the past 18 months, and that's during the global pandemic. We also know that travel is on the verge of a bounce back. With a proven platform and strong industry connections and a wealth of experience, we aim to capitalise on the market opportunity ahead of us. Our plans are ambitious but achievable. Join us on our journey as we influence the future of travel.